Hey guys, follow me while I take a tour of 904 Herrington in Alvin, Texas. You definitely don't want to miss the tour of this huge property. So big, you can even have a four-wheeler on it. With 2.78 acres, you don't want to miss this property. It is huge. And I love the fact that you can even have your own four-wheeler on it. That's a win for me. Come on, let's take a look at all the features that this house has to offer. Back over there is the back of the property, and we have a lake, the back of the two barns, and the property. Cheers to all the space over here. Not only do you have a great workshop, you got this covered patio, you can entertain out here, you got tons of storage in there, it has electric, and it's already plumbed for a restroom if you need it out here. And here's a penny for your thoughts. If you're looking to buy a home in Alvin, Texas, you don't want to miss 904 Herrington Road in Alvin, Texas. This beautiful property leaves nothing to be missed. You're at one with nature, beautiful land, and so quiet. You're going to love it. If you'd like a personal tour, make sure you give me a call. I'm with Miranda, the Texas Queen of Real Estate.